What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. For today we're going to put to the test hot dog gadgets. Weather is finally nice, it's like 75 degrees, so I'm sure a lot of people are ready to start cooking out this season. So it will be perfect to put to the test some hot dog gadgets. For the first hot dog gadgets, I got here hot dog roller for your grill. Instead of flipping your hot dogs, you can get one of these gadgets. That way you don't even have to flip it, you just roll them. How cool is that? Boom! Let's see how this attaches together. Okay, it just goes like this. When you want to lift it up, boom, set it down. Wow, that's so genius. So let's grab this, and then what we're going to do is put it inside of a grill and take this out. Now what I'm gonna do is put few hot dogs in here. This is a pretty big hot dogs, and couple hot dogs right here, and we're going to put it to the test with and without it and see what it's going to look like. Okay, looks like they're getting done. Whoa, look at that. I guess you can roll it just like that as well. Oh wow, actually if I just grab this thing and just move it, and look, all the hot dog roll. So I don't have to roll each hot dog at the time. All I have to do is just turn them like this. Wow, this is insane. All you have to do is just pull it and they roll. And look, they're actually cooking much better versus these ones. These ones are kind of burning, and I put them at the same time. It's so satisfying. They all roll at the same time, so that way I don't have to flip one hot dog at the time. And look, this one's already exploded. This one I cut a little bit, but this one's, look, they're getting overcooked and they already exploded. These ones are cooked all together at once and not getting overcooked and burnt up. So they do get cooked a little bit longer, so you can maybe turn up the heat. And once you're satisfied the way they cooked, you see, that looks good, that looks good. All you have to do is put this thing in and lift them all at once. How amazing is this? There you go, pickles. I'm ready for the summer. As you can see, that gadget is gonna help me out quite a bit. For the next two gadgets, I got here hot dog spiralizer. If you look over here in the picture, why do you want to do it? This way you can put ketchup or whatever you like inside of the hot dog, so it will be very juicy, just like on this picture and right here as well. Okay, let's open them up and see which one is better. Just gotta figure it out how to use it. Oh wow, I like this one. This one is for the smaller sausage and for the bigger one. Put a big hot dog in and then just cut it like this. We'll see if it's going to look just like on a picture after we cook it. Boom. Then take it out. Look like it did kind of cut most of the way. Let's do a smaller one. Smaller one, it kind of works a little better. For some reason, it wants to come out from the other side. It's cool. Oh no, it fell apart a little bit. It's cool, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to use. Let's see if this one will be any easier. This one already have a knife inside of it. Let's see if it's going to work a little better with the smaller hot dogs. Put it in. There you go. Once it starts, it's a little bit easier to just keep going. Boom. And now it comes off from the other end. And wow, you know what? The smaller hot dog's a lot easier to spiralize. It works really good, but it's kind of, you gotta hold it like this for it to work, so the hot dog inside of it doesn't speed as well. But if you hold it, look, and figure it out how to use it, it works really well. Just don't spiralize your finger either. Push it through and boom. Let's try to cook it and see what they look like. So as you can see, once you put them in a grill, they look like regular sausages with a little cut on it. Let's see what happens once they expand. Okay, let's open it up, see what it looks like. So far this gadget is winning. As you can see, this one is starting to separate, the other one is not so much. Love this gadget. Look how easy it is to roll your hot dogs. You don't have to do it one at a time, just all at once. Boom. Alright, let's cook them a little bit longer. Alright, let's see what they look like. Whoa, they're looking pretty good now. Check this out. I think that's pretty much done. Let me try to pull a little bit. Yeah, they're looking good. Obviously this gadget won way better than the other one. I can just lift them off now. Then you can get your mustard or mayonnaise, whatever you prefer better. And look, when you put it, you can put it right inside of a hot dog. Like this. How cool is that? Or if you prefer ketchup, that's fine too. Right into those spirals. For the next gadget, a lot of people do not eat hot dogs. For some reason they don't like them. It's okay, everybody different. But I got a gadget for you guys so you can still enjoy the hot dog, at least the shape part of it. Because for the next gadget I got hamburger. So this is pretty much like a hamburger in the shape of a hot dog. In like this. There you go. Then you get yourself the meat that you like and pretty much put it in there, stuff it up. Okay, now we filled it up. Now let's start to press it and see if it's going to turn into a sausage. Hamburger right here. For those people who do not eat hot dogs, no big deal. You can still enjoy a hot dog that is pretty much made from any ground meat that you like. And you got yourself a sausage, kind of. You know what? It might work with the combination of this gadget. That way it's not going to be moved around too much. All I have to do is just roll it later and hopefully it will roll with it, and that way it will stay together. Plus the meat does not stick to this hot dog roller, so I think with this gadget, with the combination, it will work. But we'll find out. Check this out, it's getting cooked pretty good. It doesn't really roll for some reason, but just gotta be a little bit patient and then it's gonna get even more cooked. Okay, now it's rolling. I'm actually curious. Let's see if I will be able to lift it up. Yep, it kind of broke in half, but it's okay. I can just put one half in and then second half in, and boom, you got yourself hamburger. For this gadget we got here Sizzling Sausage griller. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It looks very delicious on the picture, but will it actually work? Let's find out. Okay, let's open it up and put our sausages in. Wow, nice, perfect fit. This is the one I'm using. Those are fancy ones. And the last one. That's how many I have. I'm worried it might depart some juice from here, so I might put a plate under there or something if it does. Okay, and turn it on. I can hear it sizzling. Let's open it up real quick just to see what it looks like. Nice, they're getting cooked really well. Okay, that sounds like they cooked up. Look at them grilling. And as I suspected, I should have put a plate under there because now it's making a good mess. But it's definitely grilling sausage really good. Whoa, it's exploded everywhere. I think it's time to turn it off. I should have poked holes into them so they wouldn't have exploded it. Nice. Look at that. And we grilled our sausages. This is the best hot dogs right here. Boom, all ready to eat. Huge thumbs up for me for this gadget. Let's see what this hot dog cooker can do. I put to the test something like that, but it would only make 2 hot dogs, not 4 hot dogs. This is how you load it up. Boom. And of course the buns. 1, 2, and boom. Now we just plug it in. Oh man, the buns didn't go all the way through, but we can help it down. And look at it, it's pretty much cooked. It's popping in there. I can just press stop, pull it up, and boom, look at that. Hot dog ready to go. Very well done, beautiful. And you got 4 hot dogs in one time in just few minutes. There you go. The best part, it's easy to clean. Once you cool off this, they can come off and you can wash them from the hot dog juice. And also right here, you can pull these things out and clean them up. That's awesome. So that way, definitely a lot easier to clean it. And I have one more gadget right here, a little bit different toaster this time. For all of you hot dog lovers, boom, this is a perfect video. That's a little tray for your buns. You put the buns in right here. Looks like comfortably fit 3 buns. Close that. And the hot dogs are gonna go in here. Boom, 3 hot dogs in here. And now we can plug it in. And right here you set the timer and press on. Oh, by the way, right here it says cover must be opened or removed during the use. Look at that, the hot dog's actually spinning. All these metal bars are actually really hot. And the bread getting warmed up as well. Pretty awesome. And I would say they're pretty much done. Look how well that cooked. This is actually pretty hot. Boom, there you go. Ready to eat. So I can just turn it off for now. I like this gadget, I'll give it a thumbs up. And for the last hot dog gadget, this is a microwave hot dog steamer. Let's open it up. Put a bunch of hot dogs in there. It holds up to 4 hot dogs. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of water in each well, like this. And if you cook 1 hot dog, you're gonna cook only for 20 seconds. And for 4 hot dogs, it's 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. Wow, it's like equivalent as boiling hot dogs. It's actually pretty good. That's a definitely fastest way to boil your hot dogs and mess free in a microwave. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.